Hey, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at inserting footnotes. So footnotes can be added to the bottom of the page. You can also add a number to the spot where the footnote is selected. So let's say we want to add a footnote for Google Docs, the word Google Docs. Select where you want to add the footnote. The bottom right-hand side has an option for Explore, as well as the top menu for Insert, and you can go down to Insert Footnote, and there's also a shortcut menu item for Footnote. So what happened here is that it added the footnote and tied it back to where we've got the docs, so we've added the footnote there. Also, let's do another footnote for cloud-based, and this time we're going to use the Explore icon. So that's in the bottom right-hand side. So again, select the content of where you want to add the footnote, hit Explore, and this is going to give you an option within the Explore where you can add a footnote, as well as you can insert citations and also select the search term. So search your docs and the web for cloud computing, cloud-based. So it does give you some suggestions. And if I do cloud-based, I can see what's going to get returned back. You can add it as a citation. So the different types of citations, the MLA, APA, Chicago citations. And if you do learn more on Google, it's going to open it up within the web browser, so you can do some more searching. There's also images. So if you want to select and add in an image, you can add the images and do an insert of the image. We're going to be looking at inserting images in a little bit more later on, but this is just another quick way that we can insert the images. So in this case, we did want to, and we can also select from the drive if we want to link to something from within our drive. So I'm going to simply add it as one of the web results. And in order to add the citation as a footnote, whenever you go over the web results that you have, it gives you an option to cite as a footnote. So I'm going to go ahead and click the quotes cite as a footnote. It adds in the same format as the footnote. It adds in the number 2. And then now when I go at the bottom, it's already going to have written the footnote for me with the citation to wherever the source is that I want to reference. So it makes adding in the footnotes really easily to the page, and using the Explore is a great way to do that. As always, there's multiple ways to launch Explore. So again, if I do the perfect for collaboration, and under the tools, I've got an option for Explore, and that's going to open up that same Explore window where we can see more information about that topic. So again, the cloud computing, that's another suggestion, and I can insert that citation as well on my page, and that's going to be added to the bottom. So wherever I'm applying this, it's going to be adding it in, and it's adding it to the bottom. So this is on a second page, that's why it's adding it to page 2 at the bottom, and it's continuing the order of the sequence of the numbers. So we started out at 1, 2, 3, and now we're on to 4. And the next one, of course, will be 5. So try it out, and we're going to look at more on images coming up in the next lesson.